Tired of seeing that dreaded no connection error when all you want to do is jump into your favorite Steam game? Let's fix that. First things first, let's make sure your internet is actually working. Check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Is it connected? If not, troubleshoot your internet connection with your provider. Next, we're checking your firewall. Steam needs to be allowed through it. Search for Firewall in the Windows search bar and open Windows Defender Firewall. Then, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall. Find Steam in the list. And make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. If it's not there, click Change Settings. Then allow another app. Find the Steam executable and add it. Now, let's restart Steam. Completely close Steam, even from the system tray in the bottom right corner, and then reopen it sometimes. That's all it takes. If the problem persists, click Steam in the top left corner, then Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Download section. Clear the download cache, as corrupted files can interfere with Steam's connection. This will require you to log back into Steam. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these solutions got you back online and ready to game. If you're still having trouble, consider contacting Steam support for more in-depth assistance.